Hello everyone, welcome to ServerAvatar. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to enable and configure control panel access in ServerAvatar, a secure way to give your clients limited access to manage their servers or applications using your own branding via white label. So, if you have purchased white label panel, you have to set up the white label configurations from ServerAvatar panel and your brand will appear on the panel instead of ServerAvatar. You can see here we have set up the white label. So that is the custom logo. From the control panel feature, you can give secure limited access without exposing full server privileges for developer, agencies or hosting providers. The control panel serves as server management interface for white label panel. If you haven't purchased white label, the interface will display ServerAvatar's branding instead your own branding. Once you have purchased the white label, your own branding will appear here in the control panel. Now let's see step-by-step process how to enable and configure control panel access in ServerAvatar. So for that, first log in into your ServerAvatar panel. Once logged in, go to servers and to server panel. Then in settings, here you can find control panel access. By default, it is disabled, but you can enable by turn on this toggle button. After turning on, you have to set up the username and password. Here, after setting the username and password, you can simply log in this link by typing username and password, or from server other panel, you get option of magic login. So if I click on this, I will be automatically logged in into my control panel, which is my white label panel, as I have already set up the white label. Now, you have customizations about setting app and database limit. So if you give your control panel access to any user or any client, you can set the access of how many database or how many applications he or she can create. Also, you have option for control panel permissions. Currently, I have given all the permissions. So you can see I can access applications, database, application user, firewall, etc. But once I revoke the permission, let's say firewall, applications, cron job, application user, and database. Then if I click on save and refresh my control panel, you can see that I don't have option to access white label and any other permissions which I have revoked. Also, you can see that I don't even have option to go to application or any other settings as I have revoked the permissions. You can see first there were many options, but now there are only few options as I have blocked the permissions from main panel. So this way you can enable disable control panel access as well as set the permissions for your control panel access from ServerAvatar. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the like button, share the video and press the notification bell for more ServerAvatar tutorials. Thank you.